The Fisher Paykel Classic, Contemporary, and Professional 30-inch induction ranges have some good features and a few problems that you should definitely know about before you buy one. In this video, you'll learn about their benefits and problems, including reliability based on 34,000 real service calls logged by our service department just last year. There are a few reasons to consider this range other than the basic benefits of induction. Those basic benefits include a faster boil, a better simmer, they're easier to vent, and easier to clean. Fisher Paykel has a mode for any way you want to cook. Their Aero mode uses the top and bottom elements to cook faster and more evenly. You have 9 modes with Fisher & Paykel's Classic and Contemporary styles, and 15 on their Pro induction ranges. There is a warming drawer underneath instead of a storage drawer. Warming drawers can keep food warm for up to 3 hours without dehydrating, so they are convenient if you cook and serve at different times. A separate built-in warming drawer will cost about $1,200 in a 30-inch size. The Classic and Contemporary have a warming drawer, while the more expensive Pro series does not. The Pro will, however, have a clock, timer, and smart functionality that you can control with your phone, along with the Pro styling and added modes for $2,700 more. You don't have to default to stainless steel with Fisher Paykel. They offer different colors like red, white, and black in their Classic series. And speaking of style, Fisher & Paykel do have unique styling, so your kitchen will look different than your neighbors, even in the stainless style. The oven capacity is only 3.5 cubic feet, which is smaller than what you might find in other 30-inch ranges. An LG 30-inch range is 6.3 cubic feet, while the Cafe's double oven has 6.7 cubic feet, and Beko has 5.7. The other drawback is the lack of at least one high output burner. LG has a 4,200 watt burner, while Cafe has a 3,700 watt. Bosch and Beko have multiple burners over 3,000 watts, so this range will still cook fast because it's induction, but not as quick as the others. Fisher Paykel is about average in reliability at 10% needing service in the first year, a bit less than 10.5% average. Induction ranges in general are one of the most serviced appliances for every brand, so make sure whatever you buy can be fixed. Starting at $64.99 up to over $9,000 for the Pro Fisher Paykel, these prices are a bit higher than average. However, they do have a $2,700 package rebate and other rebates around the holidays like Black Friday, President's Day, Memorial Day, Labor Day, and July 4th. So, what do you think of this Fisher & Paykel? Is the unique look worth the extra price? Let us know in the comments below. Click this link if you want to learn more about the best 30-inch induction ranges this year.